सही में जन मैसेज दे दे तो यार बिल्कुल ही दिमाग नहीं लगा इंसान में जब बोल दे मम्मी सेवी के बाद तो
मम्मी तो डायरेक्ट ही मम्मी में 1% भी तमीज नहीं है।
तुझे मोड़ाम छांटो मार रहा हूँ सबके सामने
कौन कौन लाओ तो डीजे
मम्मी का कहते हैं छिनार दी मोड़ी इंग्लैंड की वजह से बर्बाद हो रहा है।
अरे कौन लाओ तो डीजे जा बता ना
कौन चंदन तो उनके सामने फालतू बकवास करती है मम्मी फिर सोरेम छांटो मार रहा है।
The shape of the climate justice in other bombings and India and the Hindu prelims current event of the
अभी खिलाऊंगी थोड़ी देर से देना
international importance in G20 global south inflation etc and then GS paper 2 and 3
मुझे पापा मम्मी दे दी हो
bilateral regions and the global groupings and agreement involving India or the effective India interested in articles highlight G20 summit held in the Delhi agreed and on the triplings and renewables energy The G20 summit held in the Delhi agreed on the triplings and renewables energy and capacity and other voluntary doubling of the rate of the energy efficiency improvement by the G20 13 and G20 G8 and G7 insights on the issue G20 and the G20 is and the informal groups and 19 countries and the European Union and with the representative of the International Monetary Fund and the World Bank and the G20 presidency and the rotates and annually according to the system and there the ensure other regional balance or overtime for the selection of the presidency 19th centuries and are divided into the 5 groups and each having no more than and 4 countries and the presidency rotates and between the each group and every years the G20 and selected a country and from the another groups and to be the represented India is in the groups too and which also has Russia and South Africa and the Turkey and the G20 and does not have other permanent secretariat or the headquarter recent step by the G20 members the G20 members have shown other degree of the commitment to the shift towards clean energy, renewable energy sources, and the provided 29% of their the energy and mix in the 2021 and increase from the 19% in 2010. The G20 members and emits the most of the world and the greenhouse gas emissions and the produce the bulk of its the focus for fossil fuels and most of the members and have the pledged and to be the net zero cuttings back on emission and the fossil fuel use outcome the Delhi declarations on the climate questions and did not the find and concessions on the most and the continuous and issues which is the root and causes of the climate crisis of the facing out of the fossil fuel Nominatives and ideas energy transitions initiative must the embraces and internationalizing cost the requires those who emits the greenhouses gases and to pay the social and the environmental cost climate justice and required and compensations for those and who are the harmed and those who the contributed to the climate changes are not the ones and who are the affected by it any mitigations and effort must invent and this carbon injustice and by making the richer countries or the richer classes and within other country pay for the energy transitions and how do such the policies and affected the domestically front and case of India stands and has the largely been and the framed and through the lenses of foreign policy and it's the approach and to the common but the differential and responsibilities and CBRDR in the international negotiations and it is allow the developing countries in the global south to the prioritize economically growth and the development over the climate mitigations and India historically and lower the emissions focusing on economically growth has the naturally and taken the procedures over the climate's concern, and such the approach and evidences and concern of climate justice and within India particularly it is the affected on the inequalities across levels and class caste and religion, and how does the climate changes and the energy transitions and the disproportional affected the poor. The climate introduced the problems and the droughts and have the compounded agrarians and the crisis and the allies economically activities and variations in the rainfall, temperature and extreme climate events the directly impact and the agricultural productivity, compounding farmers and income loss and rising the temperatures in the oceans and ecosystem has already begun the squeezings and fish the stock in the part of the countries and hurting the rising communities and India and the climate changes. If change compound exciting inequalities and India energy transitions policies and through the crucial and will affected the livelihoods and of the poor and the accelerated exciting class caste and religion disparities. India nationally and determined contribution NDC and I'm to the ensures and that the 40% of the total installed power is generations capacities is clean. Capacities is clean and energy the country has the pledge and to achieve the net zero emission by the 2070 and such as the ambitions targeted. Ambitions targeted necessities and carefully study of its the implications. India energy consumptions 2021 and coal was the major contributors to the total energy supply in India, counting for the 56.1% and followed by the crude oil 33.4% and industrial sector was the targeted and the consumer of energy using more than half and 51% of the total final energy consumptions and followed by the transports and 11% residential 10% and the agriculture 3.6% sectors, and manufacturing is far more the energy and the carbon intensive, and then the agriculture and the services and implications and any increase in energies and price is likely to lead to the contributed of the manufacturing. What steps an India need to take and it just and in transitions entails is a holistic approach and that the consider economically social and religion inequalities and renewables energy adaptations is the crucial this shift and should not the exacerbated and exciting disparities. For example, reason and that are the heavily and reliant and on the coal production and face are the unique and set of the challenges. Thus, the reasons and often the struggle and with the pollution, poverty, and the low quality employment. Transition to renewables and the required either deliberated and focus on the protecting livelihood, offering alternatives and job opportunity and ensuring and that the vulnerable community and are not the adversely and impacted. The emphasis on the Paris Agreement 2015 is taking into the account and the imperative of the just transitions of the workforces and the creation of the recent work and quality jobs and per the nationality and defined the development priorities. A shift to the renewable energy can the potentially halt and this the generational and mobility achieving by the thus and disadvantages group. To ensure and the inequitables and the sustainable transmission is strategic must and targeted inequality reductions and the green investment.
सानिया 1 मिनट में 1 मिनट
Green investment equality and to ensure and the equitable and the sustainable transmission strategic must the targeted equality reduction and the green investment stimulations way forward addressing both the environmental and socio-economically inequality and stability largely is the essential for the sustainable and the equitable and development recognizing and the mitigating the barriers that the inequality and the matrix posed to the effective and climate action is other crucial steps towards a more sustainable and just the futures, and despite the pollution it is the QCs. The coal sector owned by the public and sectors and minus 85%. It is the main sources of the revenues and by the taxes and the royalties and minings fees and employment and for the India energy transition and the strategy must pay attention to the really equality transfer fund to the state and dependent on the coal and the carways. Out state specific programs and for the reskillings and the development and local rehabilitationals need. The Green Deal need to have other federals and the ideas and India. मेरी बच्ची का पहला जन्मदिन है.
कौन को
government structure implies and that the subnationals and the government play the significant role in the addressing climate concern. India must delve and into the intricate and the interactions and between the fiscal federation and climate mitigation to the understand how the policy eliminated and incorporated can be the achieved across the level of government. Question for the practices. The long substantial image of the India's and as other leader of the approached and the marginalized nation has the separated an account of its new found and role in the emerging globals and orders elaborated. Morocco Grand finance challenges and the sources, the Hindus prelims and current event of the international importance and COP and IPCC and G20 and GCF etc. and men's GS paper second bilateral regionals and the global groupings and agreement involving India or the affecting India and interesting important international institution etc. Article highlights more than 100 countries as well as the representative from the global private sector and entirety and gathered in the Paris to the affirm other single goal. No country should have to choose and between the fighting poverty and fighting for the planets and insights on the issues and contact climate finance. It is refers and to the local nationals and the national and the transnationals and the financing and drawn from the public and private and the alternative sources of the financings that seeks to the support and mitigation and adaptations and the action that will the address and the climate changes and UNFCCC and Kyoto Protocol and the Paris Agreement and call for the financial assessment and from the parties and with more financial resources and development countries and to those and that are less and the endowed and more the vulnerable developing countries extent of the development and countries on the financings climate financings and the commitment to reach the targeted of the 100 billions in the climate finance in the years of the developing countries is close to bring it private finance and mobilizing of the private finance as the criticals and component of climate finance and the Paris Pact for the peoples and the planets. The Paris Pact for the peoples and planet purposes and actions and aims at the scaling and up the private capital flow to the transforms emerging and the developing economies and it is the resonated and with the world bank president commitment and to ensure and is the donors of lendings from the World Bank is the completely and why it the list $1 of private finance. It was the resultant of the close and work between the France and India. Co-chaired the summit and steering the committee and was represented by the ministers of finance and the outcomes has been the shared and in the G20 leaders and declaration in the Delhi summit. Challenges is transforming the international financial system to better support the transnavals and development and overlapping the challenges of the poverty reduction and climate changes and biodiversity protections climate finance by the France and public sector especially the commitment and by the developed countries and to the provided PSD and 100 billion in the climate finance and per the years and between the 2020 and 2005 the goal is now the expected to meet in 2023, and for the first time France and the exceeded it is the commitment by providing the euro and 7.6 and 7.7 and billions in the climate finance in 2022, and since the 2012 the French development agencies has the committed and more than the euro 2 billions and for the sustainable development project in India. How can we unlock and more the private sector fundings to face the climates and the development crisis, engage in the revive and of the global vertical climate fund in order to optimize the use of theirs the resources and increase the partnerships and between the peers and with the rest of the climates in finance architectures. Review the post and 2008 and finance regulations and with the respected and to its the union tended and impact on the mobilization of the OECD savings the towards non-OECD countries and need for more and simplicities and the consistency in the rule book and to the lower risk and risk the perceptions and of the global investors and who the fund sustainable projected in the developing countries, and credit rating agencies and must be included on the reforms agendas of the multilaterals and the development bank and MD BS, and rating the agencies and should take into the account and the invaluings blend finance scheme and use the new data on the actuals and default. The new data shows that in the many developing economies and country to the most and OECD and countries project and with the good and multilateral and guarantees and are the less prone to the defaulted, and then the companies and with are the less likely to default than the sovereigns, and push the furthest the thinking is on the green finance frameworks and to make the most of the global saving pools. The objective alliances the finance sectors and with the objective of the Paris Agreement and her nations the most trusted of the private finance to support low carbon and the resilience pathway around the globe. We should use mitigations and cost as other compass to make the every dollar spent and the most effective marginally. And country led the multi-actor partnerships and such as a just energy transitions partnerships are the right way to the raise the required investment, and thus the partnerships are already the operative in Indonesia, Vietnam, South Africa and Senegal, and we should do more and with the countries and willing to the phase out and coal from there the electricity mixed determinated of the private actors and investment and choices prudentials and rules and proceedings and the right and singles and labeled to the invest and in the sustainable project and maintaining other sustainables of the transparency environment and promoting investment opportunity are also essential way forward. Unlocking private sectors and finance for the green transitions and does not the exonerated government and from the addressing debt and vulnerabilities in developing countries, and too many the low and middle and income and countries and face the unsustainable debt and trajectories, and every the major creditor and countries and must live up to its the responsibilities and the impact of the debt and trap on the vulnerable economies. In the case of the Sri Lankas, the Paris clubs and the Indias and have the stepped and into the created other successful platform for the debt and restructurings and all the measures and creditor in the regions and should now the avoid contribution further to the debt and vulnerabilities. India has other crucial roles to the play a become of its economically size and its the uniques and capacities and to vault the bridge and rather than the steer and up the divisions and within the international community. The spirit and which is that and of the India and the Dhavas and the Kulumbakam and must the guide an effort to the make the global finance system and more the effective efficiency and more the just. Question for practice: discuss global warming and the mention it is the affected on the global climates exchange the control measures to bring down the level of the greenhouse gases and which causes the global warming in the light of the Kyoto Protocol 1997. The Green Finance Challenge, the Hindu and prelims current events and of the international importance, COP and IPCC and G20 and GCF etc. and GS paper second and bilateral reason and global groupings and agreement and involving involving India and or the effective India and interested the important international institution etc. article highlight and more than the 100 countries as well as the representation from the global private sector entire and the gathered in Paris and to the affirm is a single goal.
अपने बालों को ना बुध के रखा करो, उनमें आपकी सेफ्टी रहेगी, नहीं कुछ टाइम बाद
No
ये
country
कैसे
should
हो
have to the choose and between the
वो तो लगा आपको
fighting
पता ही
poverty and the fighting for the planets and the insights and on the issues context climate finance. It's referred to the local, national and transitional and financing drawn and from the public and private and alternative sources of the financing that seeks to the support and mitigation and adaptation action and that will the address climate changes and the UNFCCC and Kyoto protocols and the Paris Agreement call for the financial assessment from the parties and with the more financial resources developed country and to those that are the less and endowed and more the vulnerable and the developing countries and stand of the developed countries on the financing and climate changes climates and financing commitment and to reaching the targeted of the 100 billions in the climate finance as is a year for the developing countries and is close to the wings made private finance mobilizations of the private finance is the critical component of climate finance. The Paris Pact for the Peoples and the Planets. The Paris Pact for the People and the Planet proposed action aimed to aid the scaling and up the private capital's flow to the transform emerging and the developing economies. It is the related with the World Bank and President commitment to ensure the each dollars of the lending and from the World Bank is completed and by it the list and one the donor of the private finance. It was the result of the close work and between the France and the Indias and the co-chaired the summits and the steering the committees and with was the represented by the Minister of the Finance and the outcomes and has been the inserted and in the G20 leaders and declaration in the Delhi summits. Challenges and the transforming the international financials and systems to the better support and sustainable development. Overlapping challenges of the poverty reduction and climate changes and the biodiversity protection. Climate finance and by the France. Public sector especially and the commitment and by the development countries and to the provided USD and 100 billions in the climate finance and per the years between the 2020 and 25 and this goal is now the expected to be the met in the 2023 and for the first time and the France exceeded it is the commitment and by the providing euro 7.6 and billions in climate financing in the 2022 since 2012 and the France development agency and has the committed more than the euro 2 billions for the sustainable development project in India. How can we the unlock and more the private sectors and funding to the face the climate and the development crisis engage in other review and of the global verticals and the climate fund in order to optimize the use of the resources and the increase the partnerships and between the peers and with the rest of the climate France finance and the architecture review the post and 2010 financial regulations and with the respect and to its the union tended an impact of the on the mobilizations and of the OECD and the savings towards non the OECD and countries and need for more the simplicity and the consistency in the rule books and to the lower risk and the risk perception for the globals and investor and who fund the sustainable project in the developing countries. Credit rating agencies and must be the included in the reform agendas of multilateral development bank and MDPS and rating agency also take into the account and the innovatings and the blended and finance schemes and use the new and data on the actual defaulted and the new data shows and that in the many developing economic and the contrary and to the most and OECD countries and projected and with the goods and multilateral guarantees and are less the prone and to the default than the companies which are less and likely to the default and then the sovereigns and push the further the thinkings and on the green finance frameworks and to make the most of the global savings pools objectives alliances the financial sectors and with the objective of the Paris Agreement harnessing The full trusted of the private finance and to the support and low carbon and the resilience pathway around the globe, and we should use the mitigations and cost as other compass and to make every dollar spent the most effectively marginalized. Country lead the multi-actors and partnerships and such as the just energy transitions and partnerships and are the right way to raise the required and investment. Thus partnerships and are the already operative in the Indonesia, Vietnam, South Africa and Senegal. We should do more with the countries and willing to the phase out coals and from there the electricity mixed. Determinated of the private and actors and investment and choices. Prudential rules providing and the right signals and the level and to the invest in the sustainable project, maintaining the sustainable in the stables and the transparent environment and promoting the investment opportunity are also essential way forward. Unlocking private sectors and the finance for the green transition does not the exonerated government and from the addressing debt vulnerabilities in developing countries and too many low and the middle income countries and face the sustainable debt and trajectories, and every major credit countries and must live and up and to the its the responsibilities the impact of the debt trap on the vulnerable economies. In the case of the Sri Lankas and the Paris clubs and the India have the stepped into they created a successful platform for debt the restructurings. All major credited in the regions and should now the avoiding contributions, and the India has the crucial role to play the becomes of its the economically size and its the unique capacities and to build the bridge and the rather than the steer and up the divided division and within the international community the spirit is which is that and of the India and the Vasudeva and the Kutumbakam and must the guide and effort to make the global finance system and more the efficiency and more the just. Question for the practitioner and discuss the global warmings and the mention it is the effect on the global climates, explain the control and measures to the brings and down the level of the greenhouses gases which causes the global warming in the light of the Kyoto Protocol 1997 2110, mitigating the tragedies and in the Himalayas region and the Hindus prelims and the current event of the national importance, environmental pollution and the degraded दूसरा नहीं भी देख लो prelims current event of the national important environmental pollution and the degradation dam safety act, glacier lake and the outburst and the flood and Globe and Lonak lake and central water commission CWC and the Joshi Math and Tista and low dam and Paris agreement etc, and GS paper 3 and conservation environmental pollution and degradations, solar energy and its used in the different sectors and particularly agriculture etc. Article highlight the recent glacier lake and the outburst flood and the Globe in the Sikkim and Brackade and Hebos the along the Tista river, and it is the brought and into the focus the magnifying article highlighted the recently glacier lakes and outburst flood and the Globe in the Sikkim and the Brackade and Havos along the Tisla's rivers, and it is the brought into the focus and the magnified risk of the climate changes include the Globe across the Indian Himalayas region, lake terminals and the marine glacier and the lateral marines, and inside on the issues and contact glacier lakes the outburst flood and globes. It is other type of the catastrophic floods and that the occurs and when the dam and containing a glacier's lake and fell releasing the large volumes of the waters, and this type of the flood is the typically caused by the repeat meltings and of the glacier or the bird up of the waters in the lake, and due to the heavy and the precipitations or the inflow of the melt waters. In February 2021, and Chamoli districts in Uttarakhand and the witnessed the flood and which are the suspended and to the have been accused by the globes. Present and future foretells times and the current lake and glacial surface and ice and futures में globe in Sikkim. A study published in the Nature and it is the indicated that the 19 million peoples across 13 countries live in the 1089 basin containing the glaciers, lakes and of thus and one the sixth and live within the 15 kilometer la betta la pandu in mountain hazard often occurs in the descending fashions and heavy rainfall tigers and landslide and which may be in the tons causes a glacier lake and outbursts and the more landslide and downstream. It is created condition for the flash flood and the responded of the early warning systems and the National Disaster Management Authority and NDMA had led other multi-agencies preparatory and missions and to the high altitude south and the Lonak and Shako Chiu glaciers lake, and it is the installed and solar power and the automated. Solar power, the automated cameras and monitoring equipment which is the transmitted weather data 250 and times other day. The equipment in the South Lonak and create is then transmission for the days and letters and could not be the avoided and equipment aid the shadow and Shakocho and continued to transmit data and reason for the globe. The existence combination of causes of the event is aid to the certain and the monitoring equipment had reported higher than the normal temperature of the 0 to the 5 degrees Celsius in the 4 days, and that data was the received and the exceptionally and bombs for the Himalayas glaciers. Scientists and the T triggers and in the process and chain of the disaster and was the collapse of the hug mass of rock and the moraines and from the northwestern bank of the lake, and it is the displaced a significant volume of the melt waters and wadings. The river's mouth aid the eastern and the resulting in the flash flood and challenges the Himalayas region in substantial and to other range of the hydrometeorological and the tectonics and climates and the human introduce and mountain hazard, and they the required and the extensive and set of the monitoring mitigations and the early warming strategies. The multitude of glaciers and the temporal variations in the glaciers regions make monitoring and estimations of the risk and more the difficult and challenges in the national remote sensing centers and NRSC glaciers and lake the Atlas of the 2023 and the three major river basin of the Indus and Gangas and the Brahmaputra. They are host to the 28,000 and glaciers and lakes and craters and then the 0.25 and hectares and in the areas in 5 countries. 27
तो खाने में ही लग रहा
27 are in the Indias in the 6 states and the union territories. And technical solution for the mitigation of the globes and the accidents and the challenge for the regulations. Regulated discharge and drainage using the pipes and the pumps and the ways and the construction and setting up the small cage maintain and dam to the cut and the speed of the outflow. Conditional above the 5,000 meter above the means and sea levels and created at the formidable and challenges such as voice inaccessibilities and the impossibilities in the transporting and the retaining ले जाइए भाई ले जा खेल ले खा लो पहले खा लो impossibilities in the transporting and the retailing the excavations and equipment strong winds and difficulties in sourcing and power and the connectivity and the vandalism and thus the missiles and are duress and the labor intensive and risk of the disasters. Downstream hills the communities and the authorities and who get the very short and lead time to the respond and they stand to the suffer and serious damage and to the life properties and livelihood and such event the permanent changes in the morphologies and the topographies and the streams and hydro meeting the development need of the hits and the community's disaster and climate resistance principle need to be the assimilated and into the government policies and the practices as well as the private investment and multi and the disciplinaries and efforts and this required and the integrated
का यार सिवा मेरी शर्म आनी चाहिए फुल चार्ज है और बोल रहे हैं 80% है वो शर्म
multidisciplinary effort across the institution RSC and the 8 bases and have the provided high the resolution data view the remote sensing and with the allowance for the monitoring spatials and the changes in the central water commission is the conducting and the hydro dynamic assessment of the high risk lakes and the mapping water flow and high and the routing and the simulations and using the digital innovations and models the NDMA national guidelines at 2020 provided the state and with other technical overviews of the hazard and the risk zonations and the suggested strategies for the monitoring risk reductions and the mitigations is the comprehensively globes and risk mitigations and plan is in the finals and stages of the approvals and bill the included and the installations and of the monitoring and end to end yearly the warning systems and aid the high risk glacier lakes and all the government and scientific institution need to the come together to the integrate resources and the capacities in the disaster risk and the reductions and while the appropriated and the scenarios and has been the created increase the focus on the preventions and mitigation will reduce the loss and the damage and bringing the stability into the lives of the hill communities and question describe the various uses and the effort of the landslide and mention the important component of the national landslide risk and management safety the troubles and with novel for the mRNA COVID vaccine